Hey guys, this is Supercomputer Genius 1 and I'm going to be showing you how to install Battlefield 3 Reloaded. What you're going to want to do is open up where you have saved all the stuff. I've made it in a folder called Battlefield stuff, so I'm just going to open that up and Battlefield 3 is there. And what you're going to want to do is run Origin installer and just wait for that to come. Shouldn't take long. Okay, there we go. And now there it is. What you want to do is just want to choose where you want to save it. So what I'm going to do is save. I'm going to say just save it in the desktop. And as you can see here, it says Battlefield 3, and you're going to take the TM out. So it's just Battlefield 3 no TM, and then click on install, and yes. And then now it's saying extracting game files. This should take roughly about 2.5 minutes. So yes, there we go, and now it is extracting. And for YouTube's sake, I will pause this and come back when it is done everything. Okay, I'm back, and right now all I have to do is install this thing here. Yes, and then it's doing it right here, and it says here files were extracted successfully, extracting game files, installation part, and this takes about 2 minutes itself. I'm not so sure, but I think so. But right, wait for this, and yeah, after that we should be go. This is so annoying. Come on. Come on. As you can see, I also have Dirt to crack, Modern Warfare 3 demo, and a lot of other stuff. Anyway, I want to get this working. Okay, I think this might take a while. I'll be back when this gets done. Okay guys, now it says installation completed. What you want to do is, I'll show you right now, is go back to where you first got Battlefield from. So here we go, there, and go into crack, and then just copy this Battlefield, and then go to this Battlefield 3 right here and paste, copy and replace. I think that's done. Now let's see, fire this up. And there you have it, muchachos. Battlefield 3. This was a video done by Supercomputer Genius, and thanks for watching.